Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome to the A to Z of useful knots. Today's knot begins with the letter D. It's called the double dragon loop. The double dragon loop, like the bowline, is useful whenever you want to put a secure loop in the end of your rope. We're going to start by making a bend in our rope, also known as a bight. Going to make another bend in our rope, like so. Going to take the working end of our rope and we're going to go under the first bight, to come up over the bight, like so. We're going to hold this down and we're going to go under the first bight again, like so. We're going to come up over our bight again, like so. We're going to take our second bight and we're going to pull it till it's bigger, and then we're going to feed it through our first bight, like so. We're going to tighten everything and dress up our knot. And there you have the double dragon loop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!